So, here we are on set. It's all very sad. It's all coming to an end. Look. Big sets being torn down. This was something spectacular when we were shooting on it. And now look at it. All torn down. We're saying bye-bye. Last 2 weeks. But there, where the lights are, is a set that's still being used. Happy, happy lights.
Really depressing darkness.
But man, look at that. It's like a Stonehenge.
Where the little people did dance.
Yep, there you go. Night, night.
Beautiful, spectacular set.
Good morning. Awesome set. Catch you later.